Hantai, as a professional manufacturer of textile sleeving for hose protection in China since 2009, has incorporated nylon sleeve as one of its core businesses. Nowadays, Hantai has built 40 weaving lines with annual output of more than 6 million meters. From production process, quality inspection, warehousing to final shipment, Hantai adheres to strict production and management standards, and has obtained certifications IATF 16949, ISO 9001, and ISO 1400. Hantai nylon sleeves are made of high-strength multi-filament nylon or polyester yarn, which provides excellent properties in terms of abrasion resistance, hose burst and leakage protection, and UV resistance, making it an ideal protective sleeve for hoses, cable, and tubes. At the same time, we can provide fabrication products, including customized colors, printings, roll lengths and so on, according to the unique requirements of customers. Hantai nylon sleeve has obtained certificates, such as ISO 6945, ISO 3457, ISO 8031, EN 13758-1, and MSHA, which has enabled our products to be widely used in automotive, hydraulic, railway, energy, mining, and other industries. Hantai nylon sleeve provides stable, efficient and durable protection to your hoses,